sa harapan.
Uy, magtatapon yan dito.
Yes, yes.
So, nare-record mo.
Ito, yan. Go.
Ngayon lang, sana na namin kapag-usapan ni Kuya Arman, wala na. Wala na yung momentum namin.
Baka daw.
Ngayon lang,
Chika
sana
na.
na namin napag-usapan ni Kuya Arman, wala na. Wala na yung momentum namin.
Wala. Magandang araw mga katurismo. This is Dr. Turismo, your tourism authority. So currently, we are inside a local tuk-tuk. We're here in Antipolo. So this is a weekend before Christmas and naisipan namin lumabas para puntahan yung isang cafe dito sa city ng Antipolo, no? So we're a few minutes away from Casa Peregrine. Ayan. So, nakikita ninyo. Medyo,
Amawala.
ano na?
Amawala.
Upper Wawa. Ayan. Medyo maliblib at mabagal din yung takbo namin. Kasi syempre paakyat. Ayan.
Pero okay lang kasi manatid yung simoy ng hangin.
Oo, malamig na yung simoy ng hangin dito. Okay? So, which is cool kasi na-experience na natin ang lamig ng Antipolo. So, Antipolo City here in the Philippines is part of the highlands of the province of Rizal. Okay? So, fun fact guys, did you know that the province of Rizal used to have the cities of Muntinlupa, Las Piñas, Parañaque, Makati, and Taguig, no, as part of their jurisdiction. Okay? So Rizal, province of Rizal is part of Region 4A, Calabarzon. So Calabarzon stands for Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. Ayan, nakangin na yung buko. Okay? So, konti na lang, malapit na tayo dun sa ating venue. Okay, ayan. So all thanks to Sir Arman for driving us safe here. Konti na lang, malapit na kami sa Casa Peregrine. Medyo papasok pala talaga sa ano. Ayan. Mga medyo rough road ahead. Ayan. Dito na po ba?
Bababa.
Bababa pa. Okay. So may pababa pa. Yun. Okay, so we're now here
Ay!
at
Merong
yeah,
50 pesos na entrance fee.
50 pesos na entrance
Yes.
fee. Okay.
Tapos, gutom na ako. So,
Yeah.
let's check it out kung ano yung food nila.
Hi, babe.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. So this is actually a resort, pero we're just here for the day tour. Getting
And
the-
resto.
Yeah, for the restaurant. So we'll have our lunch here at Casa Peregrine. So we ordered beef caldereta, shepherd rice, and chicken.
Yes.
Ayan. Are you happy?
Yes. And I'm also hungry.
Yeah.
Very hungry.
Okay. Napakalakas ng hangin. Anyone?
We're done eating our late lunch.
Ano?
Eating our late lunch. Guys! Mapakita ko sa inyo yung view.
And so we're finally back here at our home at yun po ang aming short, quick trip sa Antipolo. We visited Casa Peregrine, which is a very nice place, very scenic view, no? Yung kanilang lugar. If you want to go for tent pitching and also if you want to be with your family over the weekend, that is a place to be in Antipolo. So, earlier, nag-commute lang kami, no? First time ko actually mag-commute ng medyo malayo-layo this time. And we just rode the LRT1 from Dr. Santos kasi we're here from Las Piñas. No? So, from our home going to Dr. Santos station, we hailed a grab car. Okay? And then, nag-LRT kami from Dr. Santos going to Pedro Hill. And then, from Pedro Hill, transfer kami ng LRT2. Okay? From Recto hanggang Antipolo na yon. And then, ayun, na-meet niyo si Kuya Arman kanina. Siya yung tawag dito, e-trike driver namin, no? Yung local tuk-tuk driver namin doon. Okay? Medyo pricey yun, no? Medyo pricey yung private service na yun. Pero kung medyo nagtitipid kayo, meron pong mga buses or meron pong mga jeep, no, na from SM Masinag papunta na po dun sa Kabading Arch. And then from the Kabading Arch, you just have to take another tricycle papasok sa loob ng sa loob ng Casa Peregrine. But since we do it on a private transfer, dire-diretso na yun from SM Masinag papunta ng Casa Peregrine. And then, ayun, we just had our lunch there. We took some, quick photos also. And then, marami itong, ang napansin ko lang, no, dun sa site nila, maraming, tawag dito, signages about beware of stray animals. So, I guess, medyo ingat-ingat din tayo, no, and particularly with yung mga ahas, may ahas nga doon na picture no? Medyo, sabi ko, oh my gosh, baka mamaya meron ditong nanunuklaw. No? Good thing, safe naman po, no? Safe naman po yung lugar. At sobrang lakas ng hangin doon. So, I would highly suggest for you guys, kung lamigin kayo, magdala kayo ng jacket. Kasi medyo malamig yung hangin. No? Especially ngayon na December na. Okay? And then, Food-wise, okay naman siya, masarap naman siya. We ordered caldereta and flavored chicken and it's good. Good for 3 na lahat nung order namin. Actually, nakadalawang platter kami ng kanin, 3 lang kami. And then we had their bibingka as well na napakasarap. At ewan ko ba anong reason bakit kaming dalawa ni Rice ang in-order namin mais con yelo napakalamig na nga dun sa lugar. No? So, yun, I do suggest na you have your lunch there also. Napakaganda po ng lugar. And then for overnight stays, meron din po sila mga villa doon sa lugar. And kung wala kayong sasakyan, very accessible naman siya kasi meron silang mga shuttle service naman po. Palabas, pabalik ng Kabading Arch. And then, we just took the same route, pabalik lang din dito sa bahay. Same transportation services din na kinuha natin. Okay? So, ayun. Overall, napakasaya ng aming experience for today, and that's also part of the post-birthday celebration ng aking pinakamamahal na misis, no? So, shout out sa aking misis, si Zuwifey. Okay? Happy birthday sa'yo, and
I want to celebrate more birthdays with you. I want to celebrate more milestones with you, especially this coming year na napakarami nating travels at napakarami nating ganap sa buhay. At syempre, yung pinaka-inaabangan nating engranding wedding. Okay? Although kasal na po kami ha, just so everybody would know. But sabi ko nga, I still owe her that engranding wedding celebration coming up. Okay? So, yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Maraming salamat for joining in. Okay? And I hope that you enjoyed our travel. And for more contents, for more updates, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel, Doc Turismo. And this has been Doc Turismo, your tourism authority. See you on my next vlog.